Hi, looking for a fabulous tree skirt that outdoes everybody else's in your friends group? Well, look no further, we've got Christmases here. Now let me lay this on the surface so that you can properly admire it. This is designed by Michaela Smith. Is simply stunning. Don't be overwhelmed by it because I'm going to show you how to make it. Now what's the best way to do something difficult? It's in bite-sized, easy little pieces. So we've started out, we've made them all in like little tie shapes. So you've got here calico for the backing. You can use, you could use a Christmassy fabric if you wanted to. We've put wadding in the middle and then cut out your scarf shape. Next, put your snow on, and the snowman and the snow come all in one piece. Decorate to your heart's content, as you'll see, houses on some, trees on other. You'll tuck the houses and the trees under that snow line and then it's nice and neat. So once you have decorated a few of them, whoops, let me open this out, it doesn't want to play at this moment. Once you've decorated a few of them, simply right sides together, sew that seam. Now it's done as quilt as you go, so we've joined the outer layer, hand stitched the wadding, and then the calico back is just going to be, you put the layer on there, fold that under. Now you could machine if you wanted, use a matching thread from the other side, or just simply hand stitch that seam. So go all the way around and you will eventually have the full circle. Now when you're matching these sections, match at the snow line here. If you don't match at the snow line, then it can look a little bit unsightly. So rather than matching top and bottom, which is your automatic response, match at this point here, because you can always alter this. And then the whole lot is finished off with bias binding. I think you'll agree it's gorgeous. And if you wanted to use this as a tablecloth, simply put something over the centre, you know, like a grandmother's fan kind of thing, Dresden plate. You would applique something over the centre. So there you go. Merry Christmas.